Hello everyone, in this video we will compare OS Flex and Windows 11. Chrome OS Flex and Windows 11 are built for various users and purposes, so choosing the better one depends on what you need from your computer. Chrome OS Flex is a lightweight, web-focused operating system created by Google. It's designed to make old PCs and Macs faster by removing heavy features and focusing only on online tasks. It runs smoothly on low-end hardware and is perfect for using web apps like Google Docs, Gmail, and YouTube. It's simple, fast, and secure, but it doesn't support Android apps, offline programs, or games. Most of what you do with Flex requires an internet connection, and it doesn't offer much customization. Windows 11, on the other hand, is a full-featured operating system from Microsoft. It supports a huge range of software, including Microsoft Office, Adobe apps, PC games, and development tools. It works both online and offline, support multitasking, and is packed with features like virtual desktops, touch support, and a customizable interface. However, it needs more powerful hardware to run smoothly, and it may slow down older computers. So overall, Chrome OS Flex is better if you have an old laptop and only need a fast system for web browsing, email, and light tasks. It's ideal for basic use and runs well on low-end machines. Windows 11 is better if you need a flexible system that can handle heavier apps, offline work, and more advanced features. If your device is modern and your tasks are more demanding, Windows 11 is a better choice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.